They ask difficult question you want to say?
Yeah, sir, like partnership deficiency, like that.
Efficiency?
Yeah, deficiency.
I have never seen like partners
Well,
deficiency.
in the assignment question, it's like partnership is deficient, then bond to this person.
The question that I have shared, these are basic questions. Yes.
Yeah, sir.
So you want to say that they ask different type of questions from this?
Yeah, sir, in exams, it's like that.
Okay. Can you tell me what kind of question then they will ask actually? Because I have the questions of examination also, but there is nothing like that. I can show you if you want.
So, should I like share you the sample paper like from my school?
Yes, you can share the sample paper from school
All
because
right, sir.
maybe school is asking some different question, but in examination, there is no such type of question like partner's deficiency. There is no concept of deficiency.
Sir, I'll just send you the from my. I'll just scan and send you.
Okay, we'll discuss the question. You have shared it, so I will see the question and then we'll discuss once I receive it. They will share if you send them a question. Okay,
Okay.
you have shared it here in.
Sir, yeah, I'm just. So my father will just forward it.
Okay, one message I have received from your side, like just one. I have received that. Can you please remind sir to upload his notes so that I can. Okay,
So can you repeat again? Your voice was cutting.
I'm asking that. Have you sent any message of for notes?
For notes, no.
I think your father sent this message. Uh, I didn't understand which notes. The one I'm teaching you in the class or the PPT, the PowerPoint that I'm using to teach you. Which
I
notes
don't
you
know
want?
which notes he said. I don't know.
So please ask them so that if there is any specific notes they want, I can share it.
Sir, about the assignment you uploaded, gave the answer.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, yesterday actually Saif was telling me that you will be uploading an assignment for him to do. So once I asked, that assignment was uploaded and I gave it to him, and I think he did that.
Okay, you were talking about the assignment. I thought actually it is written. Can you please remind sir to upload his notes? So I thought
No,
what kind of notes are.
that is a mistake actually. So it is actually assignment. Sorry.
Okay, okay, no issue.
And sir, another thing, sir, like yesterday, apart from the class, I prefer not to give him laptop because these kids are misutilizing the freedom that they have. So I
Yes.
also told, like, remember, sir, the notes which because I remember you asked first day some very important questions about those provisions and all I was hearing. Now, this is something which he should mug up on his own. So I just asked him, "Do you have those notes?" He said, "Yes, it is there in the textbook." So that is why I took off the laptop and I told him, "You please study that. Or if sir is giving you that PPT, let me know. You want any printouts? I will take and come."
Yes, that's why I asked him to show me or send me the picture of what he has written in the notes notebook.
Correct, sir. So, sir, his reader is enough for him to study and that notes. Or if there is anything you want me to give him as a study material, I'm more than happy to take the prints and give him.
No, no, that is enough. Like what I'm teaching here, I always say to him that you should copy it and then you should solve some portion. And I also share some homework like assignment
Very nice, sir.
from the previous class.
No, that is very good, sir. Please, even whenever he writes to the end of the class, please ask him to just show you the proof that he's actually written all that.
Yes, the video is on, so most of the time I understand when a student is writing something. So that is
Great, sir.
enough.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, for this, actually, now, because, his exam is another 2 days. Do you think, because even after that, maybe we can't do more classes because, he will be then busy with the other. And of course, exams are only for that 8 days. After that, I want to continue complete summer vacation. So the school has very wrongly pushed the kids for a very fast track first term without giving them space or time. It is actually sad. But then,
Yes.
keeping that in mind, and that maybe next week he's going to be busy with all the other subjects for another 10 days. Maybe, is it possible? Because Saif also was requesting morning one, evening one. Is it possible for some extra classes to cover now, sir?
Now,
Like for example, no, sir, he's actually in holiday now. There is no schools. So, like morning, like how we are doing now, so like maybe a class in the morning. Our morning is like your 8:30 morning. If any classes are possible, maybe anytime, let us know, sir. Or in the evening also, if any class is possible.
actually, generally the institute operational time is uh, afternoon to midnight. Okay, due to the
Okay.
timings of the yes, like in these areas, Saudi Arab and Dubai, all these countries. So that's why
Okay.
they start the meetings or classes after 12 in India. So after 12 to 2, they start the class and they go to the midnight. Okay. So all the classes like in between these two times. But for morning class like 8:30, 9:30, I have to ask. And one more thing, actually, I also run a coaching institute nearby. So I take classes in the
Correct, sir.
morning and here I take classes in the evening. So
Okay, sir.
okay, so my classes
No,
will
no, no,
and
no problem, sir. Like morning, because when I said 8:30, it is our 8:30, which is actually your 11. It's a 2.5 hour difference. But again, I do understand you have morning coaching. So, sir, evening, if it is possible, even if maybe if it is, but for you, for our evening is like 2.5 hour gap. So he is even today, maybe only on Wednesdays he has a Quran class, he cannot come. But whether tomorrow or Friday also, if any other class in the evening will be helpful, sir.
okay. So like evening 5, 6, you were saying?
Yeah, 5, 6 of your time, sir, or our time?
No, no, I'm asking like your time. What will be the comfortable
Yes, sir.
time?
Like for example, if it is today, now for us it is going to be 2 o'clock now. If still there is one more hour possible, like 6 to 7, he is more than our 6 to 7 means your 8:30 to 9:30
In the evening.
evening, sir.
Okay, okay. I will ask
And
the
same
team.
thing even tomorrow, sir.
I will ask the team if there is any available slot, then
Please,
they
sir. That
can
will be
schedule
just
it.
because we can only have till for Friday, and then after that, Saturday is the exam accountancy. Then he has one by one, one by one, one by one till I think second or third. Then that time we can't have accountancy tuitions. After the exam, again he has to immediately start them.
Okay, no issue. Actually, when we will continue the class in normal hours also, we will be able to complete all the syllabus. There is no issue in that, because
Okay.
generally we start the topic and take this 1 hour class 3 days in a week, I think. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
3 or 4 days in a week, and we complete the class before like the examination time. Like there
Correct.
is some revision time also. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
we also took some time to revise the concept with the student. So it will help them. So it is no issue. It is no, we are not in like, no, we have to rush and complete the topic. No, we go by the speed of student. That is very important. So if student is like slowly understanding some chapters, then we go slow. And if he is good and he is completing his homework and all the theory parts, then we can go fast. So we go by the speed of student. That is the main focus for us. So that's why uh, we will be completing all the syllabus before the examination, and there will be some revision time left. So there is no issue that no, we have to go for 2 hours class or 3 hours class. No, there is no need. We
Okay.
complete the syllabus in normal
No, sir,
course.
but I think you are understanding that his exam is day after tomorrow.
Yes, his examination
Because
on Saturday, I think.
Saturday. Yes, sir, sorry, sir. Today is Wednesday. Correct. It's on
Yes.
Saturday. So it's just that it was very short time for us to even have for this first term exam. But again, I know once there is only this next time and all, I know he'll be under your guidance, so it will be taken care.
Yes, actually, this time we don't have enough time to complete all the
Correct, correct,
topics
correct.
that you have shared. I have shared actually these first topic I'm talking about. This takes at least 10 classes, but I am
Correct,
completing
correct.
it like giving more time and completing it in five to
Sure.
six classes because he has examination. But it will be very difficult to complete all other topics.
Sure, sir.
So
And sir, because whole day he's now doing only accountancy. At least for this accountancy, because of being first subject, he's having 3, 4 full days. Other all subjects, not even 1 day gap. So please, sir, give him enough thing and tell him, he has to practice and he has to do it on his own. It is not only this 1 hour, please. And if any, like he should be on his own also revising. And I'm also always telling him the same, sir.
okay,
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you
thank
so
you,
much, sir.
thank you. Okay, so Saif, now we have completed partners capital, and you have solved some question. You have shared the question with me, the school examinations type questions.
So do you have it, sir?
Have you shared the question here in Zoom meeting or on WhatsApp?
So I think my dad sent it on WhatsApp.
Okay, then I will receive it in some time. Okay, so until then,
So
we will
if you want, I
continue with
can
the
send it
class.
right now in Zoom chat.
Okay. Actually, we are discussing the concept. Once I receive it, I'm seeing the message. Once I receive it, I will talk about this. Okay.
So I already sent in the chat.
Okay, you have already sent it.
Yes.
Okay, let me see. Accounting for partnership fundamentals design. This is very only one page.
Yes, sir. Those are the chapters.
Okay, where is the deficiency you were saying?
Yeah, that was that file my father's forwarded to the WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay, I will see the
They have to
question.
send.
This is the basic one. So
Yes, sir. These are the chapters coming.
let me tell you the concept of deficiency that you are talking about. You'll understand. In reconstitution and admission of a partner chapter, there is like adjustment of capital concept. Adjustment of capital means like, let's say that you have, let's say that I told you in the previous class that let's say there is capital of 3 lakh and 1 lakh for A and B. This is their capital, okay? And their profit sharing ratio is 3:2, okay? 3:2. So what it means, like A capital is 3 lakhs, so B capital should be 2 lakh, yes?
Yes, sir.
3 lakh and 2 lakh according to his ratio. So B capital is only 1 lakh, so there is deficiency of 1 lakh, which should be brought by B in the firm. Okay, so this is what you are talking about. I think there is no other deficiency concept in the partnership. And it is not the concept of fundamental of partnership. It is concept of change in profit sharing ratio and fundamental and admission concept.
Yes.
Okay, so actually we have to cover the topic, so we cannot wait for all these things. Just so you know, we have to complete some of the topic in this chapter still.
Yeah.
So first of all,
Even the journal stuff, I think we have to do it.
what?
The journal stuff.
Journal we have completed?
So like this chapter I saw in textbook, there are some journal questions.
Yes, so I have given you the notes for journal also. I have explained all the journal entries. Yes, so you can solve it by those concepts.
Okay.
Whatever question you are seeing, just try to solve them by the theory we have discussed in the class. And if you're not able to do it, you should share it before the class, not during the class. You can share it before the class so that I can see the question, and then I will explain when I will join in the class and we will discuss the topic. So I will clear you all doubt.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So the next thing is interest on capital and drawing. You know the calculation of percentage?
So Chinsu?
Interest on capital and drawing. You know the concept of calculation of percentage, like how to calculate percent.
So like
Percentage, like with any amount.
into the, if it's like 12%, then into 12 by 100.
If I say to you 1 lakh,
Yeah, so it will be
10% of
10,000.
1 lakh, it will be 10,000. Yes, okay, good. Sometimes some student has some issue with this percentage calculation. That's why I asked. Okay, so interest on capital and drawing. There is a concept that our capital and drawing may change during the year. So you have to see that for how many times we are using any money into the firm. Like, let's say I'm giving you an example so that you'll understand. A has a capital of on 1st April 2019, he has a capital of 2 lakh. Okay. So after 3 months, let's say on 1st July, on 1st July 2019, he has invested 50,000 additional capital. Additional capital. And again on 1st December, he have invested 50,000 again. No, leave this. Okay, just one. He has invested 1 lakh additional capital and 50,000 is drawing. Okay. Now you have to calculate interest rate is 12%. You have to calculate interest. Now, how to calculate interest? There are 3 things here. Yes. So there is 2 method that you can use. One is like you take separate amount. each separate amount and then calculate it. But in that case, if there is a drawing, there will be some problem. You have to deduct this drawing interest. Okay. So what we do, we cumulate the amount, we like calculate the total or net amount. So the first amount is 2 lakh. Then after that, it is changed to 3 lakh. And after that, it is 2,50,000. How I'm writing this amount? In the beginning, the capital was 2 lakh. Then there is 1 lakh additional capital. So 2 plus 1, 3 lakh. And then there is 50,000 drawing. So 3 lakh minus 50,000, 2,50,000. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. After this, we have to multiply it with rate 12 by 100 every amount. Now we have to see the time period. Time period for this 1st April 2019, this amount is in the business for 3 months, only 3 months. After that, it changed to 3 lakh. Yes. So this 3 lakh is from 1st July to December. So July, August, September, October, November, 5 months. So it is for 5 months. 3 lakh is for 5 months. After that, it changed to 2,50,000 and December, January, February, March. So it is 4 months, 4 by 2. So here it is. It is 6,000. Then again, it is 15,000. And here it is 10,000. So 31,000 is the total interest. Is this clear?
Sir, is it like, is there any formula for this?
Yes, there is formula. I'm writing it here. Like interest equals to amount into rate by 100 into time divided by 12 or 365. Why I'm writing 12 or 365? Because if it is month, we are taking month. Like in this question, we have taken 4 month, 5 month, and 3 month. So that's why in that case, we have to divide it by 12. But if we are taking days, like 60 days, 85 days, 100 days. So in that case, you have to divide it by 365. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the one concept. Now, there is, actually, I'm writing steps also so that you'll understand. First of all, we have to calculate time period. Calculate time period for each change in the amount. So you have to calculate time period for each change in the amount. Each change in the amount means how many changes are there, and from one amount to another amount, from one change to another change, how much time in between. Okay,
Yes.
so the first change was on 1st July, and this amount was on 1st April. So 1st April to 1st July, we have taken 3 months. Then 1st July to 1st December, we have taken 5 months. And then 1st December to end of the year, which is 31st March. So 4 months. Okay.
Yes.
So tell me if you have any confusion in this calculation, but actually these are the basic concept. You will not find like 3 or 4 changes during the year. You will be getting 1, 2, or maximum 3 changes. So you can solve it by using this.
Yes.
So Step 1 is calculate time period for each change in the amount. Then step 2, calculate the amount by adjusting additional capital or drawing. And then the third step is calculate interest by using the formula. Okay, so these are the 3 steps. This formula you should write after step 3. Okay, so this concept is for interest on capital, not drawing. Leave this, not drawing. This is interest on capital I'm talking about. So please write this, interest on capital. You don't have to write the example I have written, interest on capital, and then these steps. This will be after step 3. Okay, I have received your question. Can you tell me the question number you are talking about? Can you tell me the question number? Question number of the your examination question that you're talking about.
To 1 second. So 11.
Radha married Fatima, a partner sharing profit in the ratio 5:4:1. Fatima is given a guarantee that her share of profit in any year will not be less than 5,000 profit. Okay, this is the concept of guarantee of profit. Okay, we will discuss these. These are the basic questions, not the like advanced level questions. There are some, but
So later, can you also like just revise the journal stuff in this chapter? Because I'm
yes.
getting a bit confused. That's it.
In which part?
The journal stuff from the first chapter. Like they asked to pass the, like for example,
Yes, for example.
like the 14th question in that file.
For give journal entries to record the above and prepare balance sheet of the new form. Okay, you can see this is the admission of a new part. This concept, question number 14.
Yes, sir.
Journal entries are a bit different for this question number 14, admission. Okay, one more thing. We are not able to complete all the topic, so I can share the notes with you, all the
Yes.
topic notes. Okay, like goodwill, change in profit sharing ratio, and admission. If you want,
Yes.
what you have to do is study all those concepts. Okay, and if you have any doubt in understanding any of these concepts, then we can discuss it in the class,
Yes. Yes.
because we don't have enough time to cover all the topics. That's why I will be sharing. So if you want, I will share it.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes, I finished it.
Okay. So after this, there is a concept of interest on drawing also. These are actually related with each other. That's why I'm covering these along with interest on drawing. So interest on drawing. Now the calculation is same. If there is only one drawing, then the calculation is same. But there is some condition, like if partner is withdrawing in every month, if partner is withdrawing in every quarter, if partner is withdrawing money in every half year, then how to calculate interest on drawing. Okay, so for interest on drawing, formula is same, like amount into rate by 100 into time divided by 12 or 365. You have written this interest formula.
Yes, I wrote.
So interest on drawing. These are the shortcuts we are talking about. So you have to understand that these shortcuts only applicable if only if amount of drawing, amount of each drawing is same, and time gap between each drawing is also same. These two conditions we have to fulfill to apply these shortcuts, and how to use these shortcuts. So let's say if the drawing is in the beginning of each month, in the beginning of every month, then total drawing you have to calculate into rate by 100 into 6.5 divided by 12. Again, if it is in the middle of, I will explain that how I'm getting this 6.5, 5.5, and 6.
Yes.
You have studied this in the school, but they have explained how they got this 6.5, 5.5, or 6.
Yes.
So in the middle of every month, in the middle, it will be 6 by 12. And when it is it will be total drawing into rate by 100 into 5.5 divided by 2. Now, why we are getting this 6.5, 6 and 5.5? The question is, we have calculated the average. How we have calculated average? Let me explain it. Now, if we are calculating average, first of all, think about it. If we withdraw in the beginning of each month, so when will be the first drawing? April 1st? Year is starting from April to March.
Yes, sir.
Your
Yeah.
so what will be the date of first drawing?
Sir,
April 1st. Then date of next drawing, second.
May 1st.
Yes, very good. Then the third is June 1st, like this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the end of the year?
End of
What
the
is the
year
last date?
March 1st.
March 31st. End of the year I'm talking about. Not the last drawing. I'm talking about last date of the year. The last date of the year is March 31st. So from every date, you have to calculate time period up to March 31st. You're getting my point.
Yes, sir.
So from April 1st, if you calculate up to March 31st, you'll get 12 months. Count it.
Yes, sir.
From April to March 31st.
Yes, sir. 12 months.
Okay. What about May 1st?
11 months.
11 months. Yes. So for every drawing, it will be like 12 plus 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And these are 12 or 12 drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. So we are calculating average. So divided by 12. Now 12, 23, 33, 42, 50, 57, 63, 68, 72, 75, 77, 78. 78 divided by 12, you will get 6.5. This is written here.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if the drawing is at the end of every month, so the first drawing will be on April 30th,
Yes, sir.
then May 31st, then June, like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, can you tell me the time remaining after April 30?
After 11 months.
11 months. Very good. And if it is May 31st, then 10 months. So it will be 11 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0, because last drawing will be on 31st March.
Sir, isn't it 9, 8, then 7,
Oh,
then
sorry,
6?
one is missing. Yes, sorry. Yes, it is 7. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 also, because the last drawing will be on 31st March. Okay. So from 31st March to 31st March, there will be 0. We need at least 12 months. Okay. So divided by 12, it is 66 by 12. You'll get 5.5. And if it is middle of every month, then first drawing will be April 15th, then May 15th. Yes.
Yes.
From here, if we count, it will be 11.5. Then here 10.5. Okay.
Yes.
So if you calculate the total of these, it will be 72 by 12. You'll get 6. Understood?
Yes.
So this is how we calculated it. Actually, there is one formula also we use for this, but we don't need so much in detail for this 6.56, 5.5. If you need formula, if you ask me, I will explain. But you don't have to go in detail because you just have to remember this time period 6.5, 6, and 5.5.
Yes.
Okay. So there is one more concept related to this, like in the beginning of each
So for
quarter,
drawings, is there a formula for drawings?
same formula, the simple interest amount into rate.
Okay. Sir.
You are calculating interest or you are asking for total drawing, this total drawing.
Okay, so I'll just write the drawing. I didn't write.
Okay, total drawing, if it is monthly, then total drawing equals to amount of drawing
Yes. Sir.
into number of drawings. So let's say he is withdrawing 2000 per month. So number of drawing will be 12. 2000 into 12, it will be 24,000. Is that clear?
Yes. Sir.
So please write this. There is two more concept under this chapter. One is called past adjustment and one is called like guarantee of profit, the question you are talking here. I will
Yes.
explain it right now. You will understand.
For beginning of every month is 6.5.
Yes.
Then in which case it will be 12 by 2?
12 by
12 by 12.
there will be no case of this. If it is said that you have withdrawn the amount in the beginning of April, only April, on 1st April, you have drawn 10,000 or 12,000. In that case, it is 12 by 12. And if it
Yes.
is 12 by 12, then we don't write this in the formula
Yes.
because 12 by 12 means 1. There is no use of 1 in the formula. You don't have to write it.
Yes. So can you scroll? Sir?
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this, there is some concept related to quarter also. Okay. Like
Yes, sir.
beginning of quarter, middle of quarter. So if beginning of quarter, then the time period will be 7.5. You will use 7.5. Okay. If it is middle of quarter, the formula will be same. There is no difference in that. Should I write the formula also, or is it enough to write this only? Tell me.
So this is fine, sir.
Okay. So time period is 4.5. Formula will be same as monthly drawing. So this is for quarter. Okay, one thing you have to remember, that when you are calculating total drawing, then for monthly basis, you have to multiply it with 12, because in a year there is 12 months. If drawing is on monthly basis, so you have to multiply it with 12. And if the drawing is on quarterly basis, then you have to multiply 4 with the drawing amount. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What happened? Is there any problem with your shoulder?
No.
Okay, please write this also, and then we will solve some question.
Chicken is cool and chicken a bit
There is
up.
nothing below.
Mm, Yes. Yes, sir. I'm just writing the.
Okay. You have completed?
So, no, sir, can you scroll down? Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now we will discuss a question. I'm sharing a question with you. Can you see the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is this question number 28. A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2, having capital account balance of 50,000, 40,000 on 1st April 2015. On 1st July 2015, A introduced 10,000 as his additional capital, whereas B introduced only 1,000. If the interest on capital is allowed to partner at the rate 10% per annum, calculate interest on capital if the financial year closes on 31st March. So this is question number 28. Solution. Interest on capital equals to amount into rate by 100 into time divided by 2. So for A, his opening capital is 50,000. So on this amount, we will calculate the first interest. So 50,000 into rate is 10% per annum. So 10 by 100 into there is a change on 1st July 2015. Yes. So from April to 1st July, how much time? April, May, June, 3 months. So it will be 3 divided by 12. Then his capital changed. A introduced 10,000 as his additional capital. Can you tell me the new amount of capital?
60,000.
60,000. Very good. And for how many months we have used this 60,000? Because after this, there is no change. On 1st July, he introduced 10,000. After this, there is no change in his capital. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So it means this capital of 60,000 will be same until the end of the year. So it will be 9 months. July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. 5 चढ़ने.
Yes.
Okay. So तीन, चार, and 1,500. Then there is 15. Okay. 45. This is 4,500. This is 12, 4,000, 15,000, and 14,300. Then 3,000. $1,250 into. Yes, so A interest is total 5,750. Now the B. B opening capital is 40,000 into 10 by 100 into 3 by 12. And after the change, his capital will be 41,000 because there is only 1,000 he introduced. So into 10 by 100 into 9 by 12. So again, it will be 1025 plus 33075, and it will be so it is 104075. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
First, you have to write the formula. You have to remember this, that without writing formula, you cannot start the question. So first you should write the formula. Then you have to calculate the interest for every part separately like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will solve one question from interest on drawing also. You can see here, question number 26.
Yes, sir.
Okay, calculate interest on drawing of Mr. Ashok at the rate 10% per annum for the year ended 31st March 2024, 2014, sorry, in each of the following alternative cases. If he withdraw 7,500 in the beginning of each quarter is given. Okay, so quarter is given, question number 26.
So should I copy the previous question or no?
Yes, I will tell you to write interest on drawing. Just 1 minute. Let me solve this one. Then interest on drawing equals to total drawing into rate by 100 into time divided by 12.
12.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if it is on quarterly basis, then what will be the total drawing? He is withdrawing 7,500 every quarter. So 7,500 into 4, because in a year there is 4 quarters. So it is 30,000. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Then case 1. In case 1, he is withdrawing in the beginning of each quarter. So 30,000 into rate, which is 10%, and beginning of each quarter means 7.5. Then case 2, case 2, 30,000 into 10 by 100. And now the second question is end of each quarter. End of each quarter means 4.5. And case 3, 30,000 into 6 by 12. So it will be 1,500. It will be just for 30,000. Okay, it is 1875. I think the second is some problem here. It is not this. It is 11,125. And here it is 1,005. Done. Now you can copy this.
Yes, can you? Yes, Yes.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is this question you said guarantee of profit. Where is this guarantee of profit? Question number 11. Yes.
Yes, sir. So can you just give me like 2 minutes, sir? I'll come back. Just 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay, you said 2 minutes. You take 5 to 6 minutes.
Sorry.
Okay, so I'm saying that Radha, Mary, and Fatima are partners sharing profit in the ratio 5:4:1, and it is the guarantee that her share in profit in any year will not be less than 5,000. Okay, so the profit for the year ending 31st March 2023 amount to 35,000. Shortfall, if any, in the profit guarantee to Fatima is to be borne by Radha and Mary in the ratio of 3:2. First of all, we have to calculate the profit share of each partner. So Radha, Mary, and Fatima. Radha is getting like 5:10 from 35,000. So 35,000 into 5/10. It is 17,500. For Mary, it is 4/10. So 35,000 into 4/10. It will be like 14,000. And for Fatima, it is 35,000 into 1/10. So it will be 3,500. Okay. Now, after calculating the profit share of each partner, it is clearly said that Fatima is given a guarantee that her share of profit in any year will not be less than 5,000. So, first of all, you will calculate deficiency in Fatima profit. We have guaranteed her that we will give at least 5,000 to her, and the actual profit is 3,500. So this 1,500 is the deficiency. Now it is to be borne by 3:2 between Radha and Mary. So Radha will contribute and Mary will contribute. So it is 1,500 into 3/5 for Radha and 1,500 into 2/5 for Mary. So it is 900 and 600. So the question is saying that हमने टोटल गारंटी जो फातिमा को दी है वो 5,000 की दी है, बट एक्चुअल में उसको प्रॉफिट का हिस्सा कितना मिल रहा है? 3,500. सो देयर इज अ डिफिशियंसी ऑफ 1,500 which is to be borne by Radha and Mary together. In which ratio? 3:2. So उस 1,500 को हमने राधा और मैरी में कंट्रीब्यूट कर दिया, उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन निकाल लिया. राधा का कंट्रीब्यूशन आ रहा है 900, मेरी का कंट्रीब्यूशन आ रहा है 600. So Radha and Mary will pay this. It is like Radha capital account debit 900, Mary capital account debit 600, and to Fatima 1,500. This is the adjustment entry. Tell me, is there any confusion? This is very simple question actually. Do you have any doubt in this?
No.
I think you have actually you have not covered this topic yet, but still you understand the concept. Think about it. It is very easy. That's why I'm saying. Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't have any doubt in any of the topic we have covered today?
No, sir.
Okay, then that's all for today. We'll discuss the remaining topic in our next class. Thank you.
So, will there be like any practice questions?